Welcome to the perfect world where fluffy cats and warm beverages unite to create a mood-boosting haven, the Cat Café. Picture this, a cozy coffee shop where you can sip your favorite brew surrounded by adorable feline friends without worrying about scooping litter or cleaning your couch. It's the ultimate blend of caffeine and cuddles. Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Starting a cat cafe is no simple feat. It's not just about brewing the perfect cup of coffee or pampering cats. There's a whole world of considerations, from legal requirements to securing funding. In this video, we'll be exploring the ins and outs of this unique business. Not only do these establishments offer a unique social experience, but they also serve as a platform for cat adoptions, all while providing a satisfying income for the owners. Join us as we uncover the key steps to embark on your own cat cafe adventure, where cat lovers can socialize, enjoy coffee, and potentially find a new furry friend. Let's begin. Business description. A cat cafe is a coffee shop with a host of cats. These cafes either keep cats as pets or have cats available for adoption. Cats that remain at the store offer a form of entertainment for guests who can play or watch the cats while sipping their drinks and chatting with friends. Patrons usually pay an hourly admission fee. So, in addition to food and drink sales, cat cafes also make money through their admission charges. Cat cafes that also function as adoption centers allow patrons to interact with the cats in the cafe before choosing one to take home. Industry summary. The first cat cafe opened in Taiwan in 1998, but cat cafes didn't start gaining worldwide popularity until around 2014. As of 2023, there are over 143 cat cafes operating in the United States, as well as hundreds more internationally. Cat cafes have become especially trendy in urban areas like New York City, Los Angeles, and San Francisco. Since a cat cafe is a niche enterprise, locating in areas with general tourist activity or higher populations will be advantageous and help draw in interest and customers. The unique experience of interacting with cats in a cafe setting has proven popular, both with cat lovers who can't have pets where they live as well as tourists looking for a fun and unconventional cafe. Cat cafes have also been embraced for their therapeutic benefits in relieving stress and anxiety. The market has continued to grow steadily in recent years. Cat cafes can also rent out their space for events like children's birthday parties, yoga classes, painting nights, and more. Embracing diverse revenue streams can help cat cafes stay competitive and reach profitability. Steps to start a cat cafe. Whether you're a first-time business owner or starting your first cat cafe, there are a few things you need to know. We'll outline the key steps involved in starting a cat cafe to help make the process easier. Step 1. Research the market. Before diving into the business, it's crucial to conduct thorough market research to ensure success. Begin by understanding your community. Urban areas with young professionals and families often prove to be ideal locations. Utilize census data to analyze local demographics and identify potential customer bases. Engage with your community through surveys, either in person or on social media, to gauge interest. Questions like, "Would you visit a cat cafe?" and "What price range appeals to you?" can provide valuable insights into local demand and assist in shaping your pricing strategy. Explore existing competition in your region. The presence of other cat cafes may indicate a demand, but be cautious of oversaturation. Look beyond your locality to understand trends and customer preferences by examining social media and reviews of similar establishments. Learn from others' successes and shortcomings, whether it's the variety of beverages offered or the number of cats present. Armed with these insights, you'll be well equipped to create a unique and thriving cat cafe experience. Step 2. Write a business plan. The next step in starting a cat cafe is creating a business plan. This written document outlines your goals, strategies, market analysis, and financial projections, serving as both a roadmap for starting the business and a tool for obtaining funding. The business plan's financial section is a critical aspect, allowing you to project income and expenses. This exercise is vital in assessing the feasibility of your cat cafe idea. Calculate costs for cat care, food inventory, staff wages, and rent while estimating potential income based on market research. Why is this step crucial? It unveils whether your cat cafe can be profitable and the timeline for success. Avoid investing time, effort, and money without ensuring the numbers add up. Step 3. Source funding. After validating your cat cafe market and creating a solid business plan, the next pivotal step is securing funding. This phase, though challenging, offers various options. Personal savings. Consider using personal savings, the initial source of funding. If insufficient, explore external options. Bank loans. Traditional sources like banks may require a 15% personal investment, a good credit score, and collateral. SBA loan guarantees can mitigate risks for lenders. Friends and family. Another funding source with potentially lower interest rates and fewer stringent requirements. Clear, written agreements are crucial to avoid strain on relationships. Microloans. Suitable for lower funding needs, provided by local economic development organizations or alternative lenders. Some offer valuable business training along with funds. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter or GoFundMe offer a unique solution. A compelling campaign can attract donations globally, but success requires a captivating story and effective marketing. Step 4. Register the business. The next step in the journey of launching your cat cafe is to make it all legal. This means you'll need to decide on a business structure, register the name, and obtain the necessary licenses. Since requirements can vary by state, this is a general overview. Choosing a business structure. The first decision you'll need to make is choosing a business structure. Your options generally fall into 4 categories: sole proprietorship, general partnership, corporation, and limited liability company, LLC. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. One prominent LLC formation service, formerly known as IncFile, has rebranded to Busy. This service offers a compelling package, charging only $0 in addition to state fees, and includes a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. Experience hassle-free LLC formation with Busy, where affordability and quality service meet. Business name registration. Coming up with a unique and fitting name for your cat cafe can be a challenge, but it's an important step in shaping the identity of your business. After registering the business structure, you may need to register your business name. This process will vary depending on what business structure you pick. During this time, it's also a good idea to check if the name you want is available as a web domain, even if you're not ready to set up a website yet. Obtain business licenses and permits. Depending on your location, there will likely be a variety of licenses or permits needed before opening. The first step is to obtain a food license through your local health department, as cat cafes typically offer snacks and beverages to their customers. There may also be specific licenses or zoning requirements for housing animals on the premises as well. Additionally, depending on where the cafe is located, there will be general business registration requirements as well. A few of these may include a local business license, employer identification number, EIN, and sales tax permit. It's important to do thorough research and obtain all necessary licenses before opening the doors to your cat cafe. Step 5. Acquire a location and begin setting up. After much effort, the exciting phase of setting up operations for your cat cafe is here. The first step involves securing a suitable property, considering factors like neighborhood type and accessibility. High visibility and proximity to public transportation enhance customer attraction. Once the property is secured, the focus shifts to designing the facility layout. To meet health and legal requirements, it's crucial to keep the cafe space separate from food preparation and dining areas. Investing in a quality HVAC system and air purifiers ensures a comfortable and healthy environment for both customers and cats. While customers come for the cats, it's the excellent food and drink offerings that will keep them coming back for more. Step 6. Hire staff. Bringing in staff for your cat cafe is another step to make sure everything runs smoothly. Before you start hiring, there are several legal requirements to consider as an employer. You'll need to get an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS, which is used for tax reporting. You must also verify that potential employees are eligible to work in the U.S., often requiring forms like the I-9. State-specific reporting is another factor. Each state has its own set of employment rules that you need to follow. Most states require businesses to have workers' compensation in case of employee injuries. Finally, familiarize yourself with labor laws, which cover things like minimum wage, to make sure you're in compliance. Step 7. Create a marketing strategy. Leverage social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to showcase adorable cat pictures and promote special events like kitten adoption days. Collaborating with local businesses, including animal shelters and pet stores, for joint events or adoption days not only attracts potential customers but also raises awareness about shelter animal adoption. Active community involvement, such as hosting fundraisers for animal welfare organizations, can generate positive word of mouth. Traditional advertising methods like flyers or newspaper ads can also be effective. Regardless of the approach, always emphasize the adorable cats as the primary attraction to enhance the appeal of your cat cafe. Step 8. Prepare to open. As you approach the eagerly awaited opening day of your cat cafe, there are vital steps remaining. Business insurance. Essential for any business, comprehensive insurance, including general liability, property insurance, and workers' compensation, is crucial, especially when dealing with animals. Bookkeeping setup. Implement accounting software and systems to manage daily transactions, track expenses, and prepare for taxes, ensuring a solid financial foundation for long-term success. Local animal shelter partnerships. Collaborate with local animal shelters or rescue groups if you plan to have adoptable cats. Make arrangements for their care and establish an adoption process. Business bank account. Separate personal and business finances by opening a business bank account. This aids in managing funds, issuing payments, and handling income. Credit card processing. Utilize credit card processing services like Square or Stripe to seamlessly and securely accept credit card payments, a standard for retail establishments. Grand opening preparation. Plan a memorable grand opening event with special deals, cat-centric activities, or giveaways to attract your initial customer base. Let's discuss how profitable is a cat cafe. Cat cafes generate revenue through entrance fees, food, and beverage sales, with profitability influenced by location, pricing, and operating expenses. A simplified example illustrates potential profit. Assuming 40 daily customers spending $20 each, a cat cafe could generate $288,000 annually. After deducting monthly expenses of $11,000, including rent, utilities, wages, and inventory, the estimated annual profit before taxes could be $156,000. While these figures are rough estimates, they provide a baseline understanding of the profit potential for a cat cafe, subject to specific circumstances. Lastly, starting a successful cat cafe doesn't demand a business degree, but certain skills and experiences can significantly enhance the venture. To run a successful cat cafe, it's essential to have skills include a deep understanding of cat behavior and health, proficient people management, a keen eye for thematic design, and effective marketing abilities. Best of luck to you. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Busy is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Busy. The full review of Busy is also given in the description box down below.